Welcome to Visual Fractions. Today, we're diving into how to convert the decimal 0.85 into a fraction. Let's start with our decimal, 0.85. Notice there are two digits to the right of the decimal. This places it in the hundredths position. To convert this decimal into a fraction, you initially put it over 1, essentially treating the decimal as the numerator in a fraction where the denominator is 1. This sets up the conversion process where we multiply both the numerator, the decimal, and the denominator, 1, by 100 because there are two decimal places. So, 0.85 times 100 gives us 85, and 1 times 100 gives us 100. This translates 0.85 to the fraction 85 over 100. Next, we simplify. Both the numerator and the denominator in 85 100ths are divisible by 5, the greatest common divisor. Divide 85 by 5 to get 17 and divide 100 by 5 to get 20. So, 85 100ths simplifies neatly to 17 20ths. And there you have it. The decimal 0.85 when converted to a fraction equals 17 20ths. This fraction is in its simplest form and cannot be further simplified. If you found this tutorial helpful, remember to smash that like button and subscribe to Visual Fractions for more practical math insights. Thanks for watching.